This is Mark Hibben for Technomicon Media with a video demonstration of the new Skyfire web browser. Skyfire offers the capability to play back flash-based video, and I'd like to show you that capability. First, let's find some video that we can't play back through Safari. It's actually not very difficult. We'll go to the New York Times website and go to their video page. And let's select the Chinese animation video. And sure enough, it's not enabled for the Safari browser. Now we'll go ahead and launch Skyfire. Let's just duck out of Safari for a second. Of course, since we're multitasking, Safari is still running in the background. We'll launch Skyfire. The Skyfire picks up with the last page, which also happens to be the New York Times Video Library page. As you can see, it has this 1x, 2x button. It's not really optimized for iPad or high-resolution Retina displays. It appears to really be optimized for older iPhone models. So the clarity of the text in the browser is not very good. If you go ahead and enlarge the browser text, you actually can make it look a lot sharper, but then it's not very convenient to navigate. You don't have a very good view of the web page. As a browser, I think it certainly falls short compared to Safari, but once again, the real appeal here is a capability that Safari doesn't offer, which is video playback capability. Now, notice that in this case, we actually have playback capability for the for QuickTime-based video. We could play it back in Safari, but let's go ahead and go to a video that isn't encoded for Safari. And now we'll go ahead and play that back in Skyfire. Takes a while to load because, once again, it's going through the Skyfire server, which is performing the transcoding operation before delivery in a compatible format to the iOS device, in this case my iPad. The video quality is not particularly good. I have seen better. I think it may vary certainly on the basis of the source video quality, but also on how much the Skyfire servers are loaded, how much traffic they're having to service.
A radical transformation. Cash-rich investors and the Chinese government are investing in an industry where they have historically lagged behind the West: animation and film.
But it does give you a capability that wasn't available in Safari.
No company
You can tap on the screen and bring up the controls. That's not difficult. Getting out of the actual video is difficult, and there's no apparent control that allows you to exit the video playback screen. I think this is a bug, or it could be a compatibility issue with iOS 4.2. I am running this beta 3 version still. There, I finally got out of it. I don't actually know how I got out of it. I guess I just tapped the right place. But that is a video playback capability, and it is a new capability that isn't available under Safari. I think that the browser does need a lot of work, but in time, and especially if they come up with an iPad and Retina display compatible version of the browser, it'll be a useful alternative to Safari.